Hello, ma'am. Myself Shankar Gaud. I am here to explain the topic Python usage in healthcare. Introduction. In the modern world, computers and smartphones have taken over many aspects of our lives, and the healthcare industry is no exception. Health partnerships are increasingly migrate health and healthcare data from papers of electronic formats, and healthcare facilities are generated massive amount of data as a result. Python is an essential programming language that data scientists use to create solutions for multiple challenges in healthcare. And it offers a diverse set of tools to generate significant insight from data for healthcare. Doctors can use Python powered applications to make better prognosis and improve the quality of healthcare development. In the healthcare sector, data scientists use Python mainly to build mechanic learning algorithms and software applications for point one, performing medicine diagnostics. Second point, improving effective of hospital operations. Third point, journalistic studies. Fourth, the discovery. The point, predictive analysis. The principal applications of Python in healthcare are based on mechanic learning (ML) and natural language processing (NLP) algorithms. Such applications include imaging diagnostics, natural languages processing of medical documents, and prediction of diseases using human genetics. Such applications are essential to the healthcare sector. They process and analyze the data into understandable, meaningful, and revealable information for patients and health workers. Uses Python for imaging diagnostics. One of the most promising technology developments in healthcare is the use of ML to analyze multiple images such as magnetic resonance imaging (MRI), computerized tomographic (CT), and diffusion tensor imaging (DTI) scans to provide diagnostics. While the human brain can have a hard time analyze multiple images simultaneously, mechanic learning solutions are good at processing multiple pieces of information into producing a single document outcomes. Sarkar 2021 provides example of real world applications of machine learning in healthcare and research dictionary. It's also note that the accuracy of using Python in machine learning for image analyzing about 92%. This falls slightly below the exigence of 96% for senior clinicals. However, with pathologists with machine learning models, the accuracy rate can rise to 99.5%. Rating and classifying tumors. One of the most common applications of machine learning technologies in healthcare is for the detection of tumors using computer automatic detection (CAD). These techniques apply CNNs to compute the probability that a lesion is indeed a lesion. For example, in mammographic AL tools can provide a second option for many radiologists. This significantly improves the accuracy of screening without increasing the cost related to use a human to give a second option. Physicians have had challenges with the detection and classification of glioblastoma, a type of brain tumor. The difficulty lies with the immense and ancient nature of these tumors, Unlike other brain tumors, these tumors are difficult to locate and essence how they respond to terminate. Deep learning help to automate the assignment of global mosaic MLRS, detecting cardiovascular abnormalities using Python to from imaging such as cheat X-rays can speed up diagnostic making and reduce diagnostic errors. When a patient is expected symptoms like shortness of breath, sickness often request a cheat radiograph as two for cardiomegaly. AI tools created with Python can help to automatic assignment tasks such as measuring the diameter of pulmonary artery and carina angle measurements. Data scientists can use ML powered tools to identify hard to see discrimination factories and soft tissue injuries, allowing organists to make more confident treatment choices. Using unbiased algorithm to analyze imagine can help medical practitioners to account for all injuries and provide the best treatment. AI tools can help to perform a comprehensive analysis of medical imaging and generate accurate reports in a timely manner. Imaginary patient risk, false negative, and legal risk for medical practitioners. Screening for common cancers. Oncologists use medical imaging to perform routine notifications screening for cancer, such as colon cancer, prostate cancer, and breast cancer. In screening for breast cancer, radiologists may have a challenge in counseling classifying a tumor as either benign or malignant. False positive can lead to unnecessary invasive testing or treatment, while missed diagnostics could cause deleted dangers and untoward outcomes. Using AL can help improve the accuracy of reading medical images, proteins, decreasing the rate of unnecessary ringing biopsies. Use of natural language processing NLP in healthcare. Data scientists and healthcare practitioners are use natural language processing NLP tools to process analyze a wide range of factors including patient encounters, hematomes and vital among others. NLP can provide a cheaper way rapidly scanning medical documents and integrating the resulting information into a database as NLP system extract readable data from text and imagine to identify keywords and terms. There are many existence possibilities for applying NLP in healthcare. These applications are mainly for proving medical research and medicines. This section highlights same use of NLP in healthcare. The list is not explicit but highlight of some applications of machine learning applications. Using NLP to create a clinic decision support CDS system. You can use NLP to create a system for improving clinic decision support CDS using historical patient records. Such a system can add skills to make clinic decisions for patient based on a database of knowledge. The database can include information extracted from business notes and writing or typed labs or transmitted audio. Transmitted audio. The system works by extracting patient information for medical records and the essential possible disease states based on the information from previous cases and or lecturers. Using ML to improve Pythoning capabilities. A phenotype is an observable experience of a specific trained physical or biochemical in an organism. Clinic as use phytotyping of classifying patients to gain deeper insight into their data and comparison to correct point. NLP is an available tool for extracting and analyzing static data, which makes up 80% of all patient data available. NLP also allowed to reserve because pathology reports contain a lot of information about patients. NLP empower analysis to extract this data to answer complex and specific questions such as which generate table are essential with the cancerous tissue types. Drug discovery. Python programming language in a leading language of chosen for modern during discovery. Virtually all jobs advertisement posted on Indeed.com and drug discovery require Python experiences. Therefore, learning Python is not longer a choice but a requirement for career relative drug discovery. A good example of using Python in drug discovery. A good examples of using Python in drug discovery is Genesis. PYML essential Genesis is one of the Learning Python to speed up drug discovery by MOL is a powerful tool to displaying 3D structure of diseases targeted. The tool has 12 different visualization models that allow user to play highlights and various structures feathers in the targets. Scientists used to find communities building seeds or drug molecules. The tool is designed to adopt well new direction methods. The figure below show how to tool compose their millions of data to help the designing the tips. AI will allow to visualize the 3D structures of the targeted discovery organization. Using the visualization, scientists gain better understanding of the fundamental problem so that they can scan new molecular constructs of appropriate taking of this disease. Feathers of using Python in healthcare. The influence of large and complex healthcare design need to reduce the sharing size of healthcare workshop in fueling the growth of AI/ML tool in the market. There is also rising number of collaborations and partnerships between human participating AI-based tools. The Feather looks brain of AI/ML and NPL developers with some startup already developing human-aware AI system. There is study rising to using robot in healthcare. There there are other existing possibilities for using Python in creating AI/ML applications, such as designing survey robots. Imagine an operator's room where a patient goes in the robot to carry out patient procedure on them safely and precisely. AI-powered smart robot could work hand in hand with humans and leverage disturbing data driving insight and based on statistics and their outcomes. The possibility of using Python in healthcare endless with the further staying open for medicine and professional remote secure for better procedures. Conclusion. The application of Python in healthcare no free of challenges. Privacy and legal framework challenges still stand in the way of its applications. It's also still difficult to rate as the third part provides can use legally. There is a need of massive realization effects of the intelligence and making to address their challenges. Thank you.